Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon N. And in this lesson, we'll continue the series of videos that we've been starting that cover les préfixes et les verbes. And in this lesson, we'll concentrate on the verb tenir. And here is how you could translate this verb in English. Okay, so the idea is that it will be possible to add what we call prefix, so actually letters before this verb, and by adding these letters you will modify the meaning, the original meaning of this verb. Okay, so let's see now a few examples. So the first one that we have, if you add the letters C-O-N, con, you will get contenir, 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 okay, and that's how it could be translated. Then it's possible to add this E-N-T-R-E, entre, and you will get entretenir, entretenir, entretenir. And here is the meaning. Okay, then it's also possible to add this M-A-I-N, main, maintenir, maintenir. Okay, and that's how you should, or you could translate it. It's also possible to use this RE prefix, retenir, retenir, and that's what it means. And also SOU, sous, soutenir, soutenir, okay, soutenir. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. Don't forget that I'm also on Facebook. You can always click on the like button, and then more material can be found right here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.